In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a surrogate key in Snowflake. Whether you're new to Snowflake or just looking to refine your database skills, understanding how to implement surrogate keys is essential for maintaining unique identifiers in your tables. Let's dive right in. To create a surrogate key that automatically increments with each new row, we'll be using the auto-increment or identity keyword. These keywords are incredibly useful as they allow for automatic generation of unique numeric values for each entry, ensuring that every row can be distinctly identified without manual input. This process is crucial for maintaining the integrity and reliability of your database. First, let's consider the scenario where we want to create a table that stores employee information. We need each employee to have a unique identifier that doesn't rely on potentially non-unique data, like names or birth dates. This is where our surrogate key comes in handy. Picture a table named Employees, where one of the essential columns is the employee/ID. By leveraging the auto-increment feature, employee/ID becomes a column that automatically gets a unique number each time a new record is inserted. This ensures that regardless of the data input for names or other attributes, the identifier remains uniquely tied to that specific row by virtue of the surrogate key. The SQL command we'll use looks like this: create table employees, followed by parenthesis to define the columns of our table. Inside the parentheses, we start by defining employee ID as an int type with the auto-increment keyword. This crucial specification means that whenever a new employee is added to the table, employee ID will automatically get a new, unique number, assigning it as a primary key, which means it is the main identifier for records in this table, automatically indexed for faster lookups and enforcing uniqueness. Next, we define other fields such as first name and last name, both set as string types. This structure, where the surrogate key is seamlessly integrated, ensures optimal efficiency and reliability. Whenever you're dealing with databases, particularly in larger systems, it's important to focus on creating identifiers that provide both uniqueness and reliability without complexity. This method of using auto-increment for surrogate keys is a vital tool in your database toolkit. When designing tables in Snowflake or any similar environment, adopting surrogate keys allows for effortless data management and retrieval. And there you have it. By following this straightforward but powerful method, you're able to create tables that cater to dynamic and expandable data environments. Thanks for following along today as we explored this essential database technique. If you found this guide helpful, consider diving deeper into similar Snowflake features to enhance your understanding and capability.